Hi everyone. I just wanted to share my experience with the Junior Data Analyst Training program at Checkmate ITTech. It's a program that completely reshaped my career journey. The training was comprehensive, practical. We covered everything from data collection, cleaning, visualization, and reporting to mastering tools like MS Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python for data analysis. On top of that, we worked on real world projects, case studies, mock interviews, and resume building sessions that gave me the confidence to step into the data industry. What impressed me most was the mentorship and personalized guidance. The trainers explained every concept clearly with hands on examples, while the support team helped me refine my LinkedIn and job portal profiles. I also received one on one coaching on interview preparation tailored specifically for data analyst roles. And the result? Well, within a short time after completing the training, I successfully landed a role as a junior data analyst, something I once thought was out of reach. So, if you're looking to start a career in data analytics or want to upgrade your skills to get job ready, I highly recommend the Junior Data Analyst program at Checkmate ITTech. It worked for me, and I'm confident it can work for you too. So, thank you.